Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to explain the steps on applying CNC. Many municipalities as of now are requiring CNC as part of the documentary requirements for business permit application. Hence, if you are a business owner, it is very crucial that you know the process. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go to this website, cnconline.emb.gov.ph. For your convenience, I place the link on the description below. Then, click on the Verify the coverage of your project and submit CNC application online. Then, this page will appear next. In this page, you'll find the description of the projects. Search for the specific type of project your company belongs to. Locate the type of your project, provide the total project size, and click the Next button. You can use a search box to filter the list. Make sure you select the appropriate project type and provide the correct project size. And make sure not to split the project size. This means that if your project size is 1.2 hectares, you should apply that as a whole. You can't divide the 1.2 hectares into two areas, making it Area A, which comprises 0.6 hectares, and Area B, 0.6 hectares, just so you could apply for a CNC. Because storage facilities with more than 1 hectare shall secure ECC based on Annex A of the project threshold. Let me show you a sample. In this scenario, let's say that my project is a warehouse or storage facility of milk sugar with a total area of 8,500 square meters. I can just type the keyword storage to filter and for faster browsing. Please refer to the photo. You will see that there are lots of infrastructure projects that appeared. Make sure that you select the appropriate description of your project. I selected the first one since my project has no hazardous and toxic materials. Afterwards, key in the capacity of your project. In our example, the total area of the storage or warehouse is 8,500 square meters. Just convert that to hectares so that would be 0.85 hectares. Then, click Next. This page will appear next. Simply answer the screening questions and make sure to answer it correctly and accurately since you will be asked to submit proofs and documentations to support your answers. Once then, click the Verify Coverage button. If found out by the system that the project you're applying for is not under CNC, the application will be rejected. There will be a notification that says this. You will have to click the ECC online application system. Another example is this. The CNC application was also rejected because according to the answer of the applicant, the project uses or stores toxic and hazardous materials and substances. Thus, the applicant is being asked to apply for an ECC instead. But if your project passed the screening questions, this page will appear next. You just have to fill out the necessary information on this part. You also have to prepare the brief project activity description as this will reflect on your certificate. Here is a sample filled up form. Take note that it is very important that the details and description you enter here matches the description written on your business permit and other regulatory documents, as well as other information such as address, business name, and so on. One of the most important information that you need to enter correctly is the email address, because you cannot proceed to the next step if the email address is not validated. This is also the email address where you will receive the notifications from EMB. Click the email validation code. The system will then send the verification code to the provided email address. Once you receive the verification code, simply copy and paste it on the online form. After everything is filled up and ensure that all the information are correct, click the Save and Request Order of Payment. At this point, your application is almost complete. All you need to do is to pay the amount indicated on the order of payment. With regards to that, click on the Download Order Payment button. Also, prepare the requirements listed on this page and make sure to upload the PDF copy of documents within 15 days. Click on the Notarize Accountability Statement at number 4 to download the templated accountability statement. The accountability statement template looks like this. Just print this out and bring it to a law firm to have it notarized. The order of payment looks like this. Print this out and pay at any land bank branch. You can also pay online, but this will be discussed in another video. At the bank, ask for on-call payment slip. Then, fill up the required information. Refer to the details indicated in the order of payment form that you printed a while ago. Once done with the payment, go back to the CNC online application website. Click on the Update Payment or Track Status of your CNC application button. Copy and paste or key in your application reference number or ARN indicated in the order of payment, then click Verify. Next, enter the required information written on the on-call payment slip. Lastly, attach a scanned copy of the government ID of the owner or authorized representative in the bank receipt. Once information are complete and correct, click on the Update Payments button. As you notice, there are two provided spaces for the files to be uploaded. What you can do is merge the other documents with your valid ID as PDF. There you go! Your CNC application is done. You don't need to cram and panic for this. Also, to track the status of your application, just go to the CNC online system and click Update Payment or Track Status of your application button. Usually, after 7 working days, you can already download your approved CNC, but there are instances that it can be downloaded within the day or even instantly. Let's now proceed with our PCO side note and tips. Number 1. CNC is applied per establishment. It means 1 CNC per establishment. CNC has no expiration unless there will be changes with the coverage of your project, like for example, a project expansion. Third, most of the certificates and permits are applied online, such as PTT, ECC, and HGID. And lastly, once the CNC is approved, just print it and make sure to post it on a clear and visible area. That's the end of our video. Again, thank you very much for watching up to this point. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Till our next video, and have a great day.